Dear hustlers, in today's video I'm going to teach you exactly how to use a single free AI tool to create images like this or even videos like this or this one. So in addition to that, we are going to learn how to use this free AI tool to create professional headshots and avatars that are consistent. So this is really helpful for content creators who want to run faceless channels. So if you're interested into that, this video is for you. Wait a minute, did I forget to mention that this tool will be using, although it's free, it's an all-in-one tool. Like, it has tons and tons of other tools. Let's take an example of image tool. I'm going to be demonstrating a few of those tools, but you could just go and explore them. So they have this called AI background changer, where you can go and change the background of your image like you see on the screen. And they have this called the background remover, where you can easily and for free remove the background of your image. And they have this text behind image editor, where you can just add text behind your image. And they have this background background, where you can just draw the background of your image. And my favorite of all these image tools that they have is this one called AI image outliner, where you can just add stunning outlines to your photos for free. Emphasize on for free, because you could do all this in other image tools or even in Canva, but you have to pay. But this tool is offering all this for free. But before we go any further, I'd like to briefly highlight on why you should use this free AI tool, whether it's for your text to image creation, image to image creation, or even image to video creation. Number one is that it's free, so you will not have to pay a single penny. Number two, it's unlimited. There is no such thing as credits, or where you're limited to generate a certain amount of videos or image per day. Number three, it requires no commitment. You don't have to sign in. You don't have to put in your email. The name of this free yet amazing AI tool is Vheer, as you can see on the screen, but don't worry, I've left the link to it in the description. So in case you want to go ahead and try it out, or even go along in this video, you just check the description. So before we go into learning how to use it, I would like first to explore the homepage. Like I said, it's an all-in-one AI tool. So you could, if you come here, we'll see that it has this text to image, and if you click on it, you could see there is a lot of image generators tool. So there is also this image to image. You could just generate your image, or you could just generate the avatars or professional headshots. There is this anime portrait generator, where you could just turn your image into an anime. There is also this AI pet portrait generator, and of course there is this image to video, and there is this context editor, and there is this image tools. I was talking about the AI background changer, background remover, AI image outliner, and there is other tool. Did you know that you could use this tool like to compress your PDF? If we scroll down, we see that the homepage is basically showing you all the tools that they have, but here at the end you can see the professional headshots and avatars, and at the end of the screen there is this how to, which is how to generate AI images using Vheer. You select the tool you want to use. Let's say if you want to use text to image, you select that, or if it is image to image, you select that. You upload your image, you add your prompts, and then you generate and download. So let's get started, and I think we'll be starting with this text to image feature. So let's generate image from text. So this is what the interface looks like, and as you can see, we have this prompt box where we have to input our prompt, so as for Vheer to generate our image. But you could have no idea of what you want to create. Let's say you're trying it out, or you just simply have no ideas. This is amazing thing about Vheer, is that it has this light bulb icon. So if you click on it, it's going to suggest some of the prompts you could get started with, and you could just try it out and see how it looks. But luckily we have our prompt. Let's type it. As you can see, our prompt says generate a realistic image of two ginger colored cats sitting in a living room as they drink beer in large beer glasses. So Let's scroll here and choose the aspect ratio. I'm going to keep it 1:1, but you could choose the one depending on what you're creating. If it's like social media or it's like Instagram, YouTube, you just choose the aspect ratio basing on what you want to use the content for. I'm going to choose the aspect ratio of 1:1 and I'm going to hit generate. As you can see here, they say unlimited and free, so we are going to hit generate. Voila, our image is here and looks perfect. So one of the things I liked about Vheer is that it's quick. A lot of other tools, they'll offer you a free version, but you have to wait like 3 hours or even 20 minutes, 1 hour, just because you are on a free version. But for Vheer, it's quick and it understands the prompt. So this was just a tryout. Let's add another prompt and see. The thing about Vheer is that you have to download every generation you make if you want to use it, because you have not signed in, they don't have your email, so there is no way your creation are going to be stored. So after you're done with every creation, you are going to download it. And let's generate the second image, and our prompt says generate a realistic image of a red hair colored teen using her phone at a party. It's very simple, very straight to the point. And again, I'm going to leave the aspect ratio to 1:1, 1:1, and hit generate. Like I said, Vheer is just quick and it understands the prompt. As you can see, the girl is red haired, she's at the party, you can see other people in the background, and she's using her phone. So we are going to download it. And now let's add some spicy to our prompting. So we are going to add a prompt with a lot of details to see if Vheer can just capture it, all of that from a single prompt. So the prompt says generate a realistic image of a romantic couple walking hand in hand along a Ceylon beach at a sunset with a colorful sky in the shades of orange and pink. So we're adding a lot of details. Water falls from a distant cliff into the ocean. Gentle waves touch their feet as they stroll, their silhouettes softly glowing into the sunset light. So let's see how Vheer is good with details, because these previous images were just simple. So my word, you could see that Vheer works where even if there is a lot of details, you could see the waterfall, you could see the couple walking and the sunset, even if it's still a little bit off, but you could see that for a free tool, this is the bit. So we are going to download the image. And actually, I believe that Vheer is pretty good with generating images just using text. So before we go to use this image to video, I want us to first try out this image to image. And one of the image to image tools I want us to use is this realistic headshots and this anime portrait. So let's use it and let's see how it works. So this one. So naturally, we are going to upload our image and choose the style in which we want it to look like. So I'm going to upload our image. I'm going to start with this one we just created. And the aspect ratio, it's 1:1. And if you want, you could just add other prompts, but I don't think they are necessary. So let's hit generate. You can see Vheer cannot just generate this headshot because this image has a lot of faces within. So for Vheer to generate an avatar or a professional headshot, it has to be one face. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, so in case you're trying it and it's not working. So let's delete this image and let's upload another image. Let's try this one. And for the style, I'm going to choose this social media style. I'm not going to add any other prompts. I think this is just enough, and let's hit generate. So as you can see, this is the avatar it provided for us, and it looks really amazing given that it is for social media and we are using a free AI tool. For other tools, you'd have to pay for this. So if you happen to be interested in creating avatars, you could just try other styles, but for the purpose of this video, it was just to show you how it works. So before we get started with video creation using Vheer, I want to just use one more image to image tool, which is this one, anime portrait generator. It's almost the same with one of creating avatars. All you have to do is to upload your image and just choose the style you want. So I'm going to upload our image I want to use, and for the style I'm choosing this abstract expressionist. As you can see, we have just created the anime style of the image we provided it with, and I think it looks amazing. So let's compare it to the original image. This was the original image, and this is the anime style it has provided for us. So I think it's really amazing. This and this and this. And finally, I know this is why a lot of you are here. Let's learn how to use this Vheer to generate video. So all you have to do is to click on this button of image to video and select generate video from an image. So I'm going to add our image. So I've just added the image we just created. So I'm not going to change anything about the basic prompt because I think it just goes with the image. So what I'm going to do is to add the prompt for Vheer to turn our image into a video. And just select the video length or even the format. So I'm going to keep it to MP4, and the video length is currently limited to 5 seconds, and also the frame rate I'm going to make it 25. In the video dimension, I'm going to keep it like this, and I'm going to hit generate. So as you can see, it just turned the image we had, this image, into this amazing amazing video. So all we are going to do is to download it, and let's try another. Let's delete this and upload our image. Let's add the other image of this young girl we created, and for this time I'm adding no other additional prompt, and let's see how it's going to do. So as you can see, it has also animated our image, and it looks like our girl is typing to someone while in the going to download it. So hustlers, this is how you could use Vheer to generate images, to remove the backgrounds, or even to animate your images into video, to generate professional avatars. And there is a lot of tools here that I didn't even get the chance to cover, so you could go along and learn how to use them. So if you found value in this video, make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So hustlers, until then, see you in the next one.